Hi guys, today I got some $3.99 Levi's jeans from the thrift store, some quilting cotton from my fabric store, a Norfolk State t-shirt from the bookstore on campus, and a t-shirt from the thrift store, and I found a pennant as well. Here I'm actually cutting the t-shirt, which I've actually interfaced on the back to be part of my quilting fabric that I'm going to create my bucket hat with. And here I'm actually tearing apart the jeans that I purchased so they can be part of my quilting fabric as well. And you gotta iron, and press to make sure everything is nice, neat, and crispy clean when you do your bucket hats. And here I'm actually making my strips, and now I'm actually sewing my strips to create my textile to cut my pattern for my bucket hat. And here I'm actually using my template to go ahead and cut my pattern out for my bucket hat. And here are the pieces I'm getting ready to complete and add those and sew those together to complete the bucket hat fashion here. And as you can see, I've already sewed my sides together and added my top, and I'm sewing that together. And here I'm actually turning my hat inside out because it's almost complete. And I will actually be pressing this before I sew the edges together here to close the hat off. And here's the completed bucket hat. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and tell a friend about me. Again, thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys. Have a great day and a schmarvelous week. Bye-bye.